This episode is for you if you ever find yourself a little nervous when speaking in public, speaking to a camera, or speaking to others, because I'm going to teach you my best tips on how to be more confident when speaking. Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back. And I believe I'm qualified to talk about this topic because I speak on the topic of confidence. I facilitate workshops around building confidence, and I get this a lot. Lucy, you seem so confident. Well, I'm going to start with that being confident is a choice. Confidence is not something you have or don't have. It is a way of living. It is your choice, your decision to be that person or not. Before we go any further, have you made the decision to be the confident version of you? Are you still blaming your parents for not giving you confident genes? No, confidence is not something we're born with. It is a learned skill, and with practice, anyone can be as confident as you wish to be. Are you still admiring others who are so charismatic when they speak? No need for that. You can be the exact same way with practice. But do you even believe that's possible? Do you believe you can be that person? Do you think you are not confident because you are an introvert or you just don't want to be loud? Don't let being an introvert or being quiet be your excuse to step up your game. Confidence is not about decibels. I can be the most quiet person in the room, yet still be the most confident. So after you have made the firm decision to be a confident speaker, always believe that building confidence in speaking is a skill that can be developed with practice and, most importantly, the right mindset. Here are my top 4 tips to help you become more confident when you speak. Number 1 is to adopt a confident posture. Body language is really important. Stand tall, make eye contact, and use open gestures. Confident body language can influence how others perceive you and how you feel about yourself. If I need to feel more confident, I personally like to do the power pose. Yeah, like the Superman or Superwoman pose where we raise both of our arms up above our head. This body language sends the signal to your brain to be more powerful, and it's helped me a lot. When you use the restroom before going into an important meeting, virtual or in person, you can do this to power up. Another tip is to breathe deeply. Deeper breath before speaking can calm nerves and help you stay focused. Okay, number 2, prepare thoroughly. Practice. Practice does not lead to perfection, but practice leads to confidence. Remember, we say confident skills come from practice. If you are giving a talk, rehearse your talk. Practice in front of the mirror, record yourself, and listen back. When I first started being interviewed on other podcasts, I would get so nervous. But after some episodes, I no longer needed to prepare anything because I have enough practice. I would also listen back to hear what filler words I was using, and that's how I got rid of my ums. You have to build your confidence muscle, just like going to the gym. Confidence is a mental muscle, and the more we flex it, the more we practice, the better it gets. If you are nervous around people, get more practice speaking to others, and it gets better because your confidence muscle will grow. The third tip is really important, and that is to focus on your audience and not yourself. What we focus on grows, so shift your focus. Concentrate on the message you want to deliver and the value it provides to your audience rather than on your own fears. If you focus on your fears will grow. If you focus on how introverted you are, you'll start feeling you can't be confident, you start shrinking. If you focus on what other people will think of you, you'll start feeling like a clown. But on the brighter side, if you focus on what value you can provide your audience, you become valuable. If you focus on how you can bring positivity to each of your engagements with other people, whether that's one person or 100, you'll start to feel good about yourself and in turn be more confident in continuing to show your power. Number 4, turn anxiety into excitement. This was really important to me. So what do you mean by that, Lucy? Well, when you think you're anxious from speaking, whether that's before speaking to a group or just friends or speaking in front of your boss in a meeting, you might start feeling physical symptoms such as sweaty palms or racing heart, or butterflies in your stomach. Because of these symptoms, you start telling yourself you are nervous and you can't do it. Well, what if I told you you're not having an anxiety attack? You might be having an excitement attack. Would that change things for you? I don't know about you, but when I ride the roller coaster, I get all those symptoms and I feel excited. Same as speaking. If you get these symptoms, don't automatically just think you are anxious because you listened to this podcast today. Just know that there is another possibility, and that is your body is feeling excited for this new speaking endeavor, and just go for it. So the next time you start feeling sweaty palm and racing heartbeat, tell yourself you are excited for this. This is so exciting. And watch how things change for you. So which tip do you like the best? Let me know.